Hello students, today we are going to solve one more problem on the formal language, and this question came in the GATE exam. And determine the grammar G where L of G equal to A raised to power M B raised to power N. This type of the language is acceptable by this grammar. What type of the strings are acceptable? A raised to power M, B raised to power N. And the condition here given that M value should always be greater than N. In N value should be equals to 1 or it will be greater than 1. So keeping these considerations in our mind, we have to make those strings which are acceptable. So if I am taking the condition M is greater than N, N is greater than equals to 1. So the condition clears that N value cannot be 0, or it should be greater than 1 or it should be equals to 1. So what about this M? If N value I am taking 1, then what will be my possible value for M? M value should be equals to 2 or it should be greater than 2, 3, 4, 5. And what about this N? If I am taking N value is equals to 1, then this will be my possible strings, and if I am taking N value is equals to 2, so M value should be greater than 3. So one more value than the N in case of N. So how to solve these type of the questions? So you can use your own logic. So if I am taking that when W is equals to A square and B raised to power 1. So if I am considering this string is acceptable by the grammar, because here N value is 1 and M value is greater is 2, that is greater than N. So how to solve this type of the questions? If I am dividing this portion into the two parts, that A square in the one portion and B in the another portion. Suppose S1 is responsible for generating this A square and S2 is responsible for generating this B. So if I am taking the productions, that S starting symbol is produces S1 and S2. S1 is producing A square. So minimum possible string will be A square. And I can generate this A square with this production, that A S1. Now if I am replacing this S1 with multiple times, then I get this type of the A square, A cube, this type of the productions, this type of the strings. So minimum possible string will be A square. Why minimum possible string value is A square? Because M value should be greater than N. And if I am taking N equals to 1, then M value should be 2. So minimum possible string will be A square. And what about the S2? What about S2? S2 is here is just B. So it means 1B. Minimum possible string will be 1B. And I can replace it also using this, that BS2. That BS2, that multiple number of the time if I use this production, then I'll get B cube. So it's this type of the strings are acceptable. So if I am going to make the grammar here, that Vn, Vt, S and the P. So what will be my Vn? Vn here means all the non-terminals. Here the S1, S, S2. These all are my non-terminals. What about the terminals? Terminals here I am having just A and B. And what about this S? S is the starting symbol. And what will be my P? P will be my production rule. Production rule will be S produces S1, S2. S1 produces A, S1. S1 produces A. S2 produces B, S2. Or S2 produces single B. So these are my whole productions. So these are my productions, and keeping these conditions in the mind, I am generating this whole grammar. So this is my grammar, and these keeping these instructions in our mind, I am taking this string which is acceptable, and next I apply logic, and then this my variables, these are my terminals, these are my starting symbol, this is my production. So I hope the students this concept will be clear. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.